So today we're going to take a little walk up in the Savannah Springs nature area and do a native plant scavenger hunt. You are welcome to go up to the nature area yourself and pick some plants. If that's not a possibility for you, you can go ahead and do a little research online instead. So go ahead and open this up. It's linked in Google Slides. So hit edit and then go back into the assignment, hit submit when you're done. So we're going to go, like I said, take a walk, and you're going to collect 6 specimens, and we're going to bring them back to examine. So, you know, the plants up in the nature area now that we've had a frost are probably not very showy. The goldenrod will be visible. That doesn't change much. The aster might not look quite like this anymore. Big blue stem kind of looks like it's got a turkey foot at the top of it. It's got a real long inflorescence that you can spread apart. Looks much like the toes of a turkey. And then we've got some little blue stem. We've got a compass plant. We've got brown-eyed Susan. There are several other plants up there. I tried to pick the ones that are the most visible to you as you go out there. So pick your 6. And then once you pick your 6, you got to make sure you properly ID them. I certainly can help with that. And take a picture of them and include them in the slide deck. You need to determine if they're a grass or a forb. Anything that has a flower is a forb. That's a flowering plant. Everything else is a grass. And then on the next slide here, so here's an example. You might put aster. And then you put your picture in here and of what you picked. And then I also want you to find a picture of a plant in full bloom, full size, just because the plants we collect today are not going to be the most exciting looking, or the best representation of what it looks like in full bloom. So, and then is it a grass or a forb? And then at the end, there's some conclusion questions. What's the difference between a native plant and a non-native plant? And then I want you to look up what an invasive plant is, and there are lots of examples in Minnesota of invasive plants, so find one and put it in here. Then go back to the assignment, hit submit, and you're all done. So have some fun with it, and have a fantastic day.